Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really eye-catching instrument, the MGR QWS Purple BB Clarinet. This isn't just any clarinet, it's designed with beginners, school orchestras, and adults in mind, and it comes in a vibrant purple color that really stands out. It's crafted from a durable synthetic ABS material. This keeps the instrument lightweight, which is great for younger players or anyone who needs to carry it around. Despite being lightweight, the ABS material is said to produce a very rich and warm sound. The description highlights that it brings a stable, pure, and rich sound to the body of the instrument. This clarinet features a 17-key system. The keys themselves are solid, cold-forged, and nickel-plated. The manufacturer says they conform to the player's habits and feel great under the fingers. A key feature mentioned is the fast button response, which is crucial for achieving excellent air tightness around the sound holes. This air tightness is what helps ensure every single tone is presented perfectly. The stable synthetic pads also contribute to this air tightness and are designed to increase the instrument's stability and lifespan. The quick key response is also credited with letting players experience a wide range of pure, rich tones. It's presented as perfect for players who are seeking a great instrument experience and excellent sound quality right from the start. It promises a full tone and the flexibility needed to play the music you dream of. One of the big pluses is that this clarinet comes as a complete kit. It's fully equipped with a hard shell case for protection, a stand so you have somewhere safe to put it down, and even gloves. The description mentions it's easy to install and tune, which is a huge benefit for beginners who might be setting up an instrument for the first time. With its classic look, that unique purple finish, durable construction, responsive keys, and promise of rich sound, this MGR QWS BB Clarinet seems like a solid option for anyone starting their musical journey or needing a reliable instrument for school or casual playing. The fact that it includes the essential accessories in the kit makes it a convenient package. It aims to provide that best instrument experience and excellent sound quality right out of the box.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.